Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this pasta maker attachment. This hooks up to a KitchenAid, and the really neat thing about this is it's all stainless steel. So you don't have to worry about those little plastic ones possibly breaking or cracking, because this is a heavy-duty stainless steel pasta maker. It is a 3-in-1 pasta maker because you can make spaghetti noodles, you can make fettuccine noodles, or you've got your pasta sheet here. It's all just controlled with these knobs on the side here as far as how thick or thin you want your pasta. So you can see the blades moving in and out as I turn that. And it's the same with your little grinder over here. So how thick you want those noodles or how thin, you can then see those blades moving. So we're gonna go out and attach it onto our mixer. In the box, it actually does come with another brush, so you can get in there and get some of the extra mess or anything that was in there cleaned up before you do actually wash it. This does open up to then assist with cleaning. So to attach it to your KitchenAid, I just have this little lift up area here and then your knob. So you place this inside here until it latches in. And then you put your knob back in. So that way it is secured in here. And it's easy as that. That's all you have to do for this pasta attachment. And then from the top, you can see your different blades up here. And you can then move them all in, once again, as far as how thick you want the pasta sheet. And then once your pasta sheet comes through, then you can take that pasta sheet and put it on this side to then make whatever spaghetti or fettuccine. So I don't have any dough, but I do have Play-Doh. So I'm gonna show you just how this thing works with the Play-Doh in here. I'm gonna turn it on. And then it just comes out at whatever size sheet that you want it to have it at. And you can run this through multiple times if you wanted certain thicknesses. And then once that's done, you can put it in this other side and let it make the little noodles. So that's doing a great job cutting them all up, and it's keeping it real consistent. So then whenever you're done, just simply take this off. You don't want to immerse this whole thing in water, so you just want to clean it up with your little brush and get all of these little areas cleaned up.